Himalaya, the abode of snow, rises to 8,850 meters above the sea level, is the youngest folded mountains on the planet. These highest mountain ranges of the world is the source of major river system in Asia that provides fresh water resources to over 1.4 billion people in the region. The glaciers of Himalaya, like others in the world, are at great threat of disappearing, putting millions of people at risk in the wake of global warming, deforestation, and increasing tourist influx in the region. Born in Ladakh, Sangasena, a monk not only known in the Himalayas, but in the entire world for his committed heart, mind, and soul towards the well-being of the human race, and his immense love for the snow-capped peaks, enchanting valleys, pristine lakes, and charming people has always held him close to his land and its people. In the light of the ecological sensitivity of the region, the decreasing snowfall and declining water levels in the rivers, along with the high ignorance levels of the indigenous population towards harnessing renewable sources of energy, such as solar power, has compelled Sangasena to look for a viable and sustainable solution to count the significance of Himalayas and protect it for millions of people and hundreds of species whose survival depends on Himalayas.
Solar energy is one of the most important alternative energies that we need in the mountains, and already Venerable Bhikkhu Sangasena has some collaboration all over India and all over the world in regard of solar energy and implementing it in the Himalayas. So it would be wonderful if we could implement more solar technology in the Himalayas.
With the passion to have compassion in action, Sangasena founded a non-governmental organization named Save the Himalayas Foundation with a challenging mission to protect and preserve Himalayas.
Climate all over the world, and especially in the Himalayas, is changing dramatically. We have little villages all over the Himalayas who are in big danger because they don't have water resources anymore. They don't have enough energy anymore. And in fact, the move of Venerable Bhikkhu Sangasena to found this foundation is extremely important in order to help the people in the Himalayas.
Under this banner, an international-level seminar was organized bringing together the policymakers, environmentalists, scientists, educationists, social workers that led to recommendation to promote integrated policies and strategies and facilitate their implementation.
It has to come together. The great scientist Albert Einstein said, religion without science is blind and science without religion is lame. These two, spirituality and science, coming together can make this world heaven.
50% of all greenhouse gases that are leading to climate change, that is leading to glacial melt, that is leading to disappearance of glaciers, it comes from a fossil fuel-based agriculture.
Nowhere in the world is there any duplication or any region where the combination of ecology, spirituality, heritage, historic knowledge is combined in one place, and that is in the Himalayas.
We must know that fact. The principle of nature says the consumer must be a contributor. Look, 90% who enjoy the Himalayas, do they contribute?
The next good thing is that this event is being held here. Ladakh by itself is a microcosm of whatever the Himalayas can represent.
जहाँ पर रास्ता नहीं, वहाँ पर आप ब्रिजेस बना रहे. जहाँ लोगों को खाना नहीं, वहाँ 10-10 हजार लोगों का खाना आप पका रहे. तो ये सब आप डिजास्टर आने की बात करते हैं. मैं चाहती हूँ कि हिमालय को बचाने के लिए डिजास्टर आने के पहले आप अपना रोल मॉडल बनाइए, तो ज़्यादा बेहतर होगा.
But I'm very happy to see on this occasion there's no plastic bottles here. Thank you very much. I'm sure this is the guidance of with you, Sangha Senaji, about your guidance to not to use this.
Today, global warming has made borders irrelevant. What we do in our cities affect the environment around the world. Gurudev, His Holiness Sri Sri Ravi Shankar Ji, has been spearheading the efforts to preserve and honor the environment.
There are mountains in America. There are mountains in Europe. Why do they come to the Himalayas? Because they are searching for something in their lives that exists in these mountains, that exists in this culture.
ग्लोबल वार्मिंग एक बहुत बड़ा विषय है, लेकिन हमारे मस्जिदों में, मंदिरों में इस पर कोई चर्चा नहीं होती है, उस पर कोई बात नहीं होती है। जिस तरह से जुमे की नमाज होती है, हमारे यहाँ करंट अफेयर्स पर बोलते हैं हम लोग, तो इस तरह से उन लोगों को ये बात मालूम होती है, अवेयरनेस आता है, ये बहुत अच्छी बात है।
Let me tell you, Himalayas doesn't need you. We are in delusion. We are in illusion. हिमालय को आपकी जरूरत नहीं है। सदियों से हिमालय खड़ा था आपके बिना, खड़ा रहेगा आपके बिना, लेकिन हमको हिमालय की जरूरत है।
Wide-ranging deliberations over the alarming Himalayan issues and measures for protection and sustainable use of its ecosystem were held during these two-day seminar.
Today we have adopted the policy, the Ladakh will be free from fertilizer.
Slowly now we are working to apply this concept of artificial glaciers, of the horizontal type that Abale was doing and the vertical type that we started doing, to a valley for bigger impact.
The threatening issue of Ladakh's ecosystem that is caused by the recent tourism boom also came into limelight during the seminar.
You can't allow tourists driving right up to the bank of the lake, washing their vehicle in the Pangong Lake. That is a complete no-no.
So as long as you are in Himalayas, you have to live like Himalayans, think like Himalayans, and have the kind of mindset which the Himalayan people have.
Himalaya is not only important for the Himalayan people and its surroundings. Himalaya is very important for the whole world because there is only one Himalayas for the whole world.
Save the Himalayas.
Save the Himalayas.
So that you don't have to stick to it.
With the participation of excellent speakers, experienced conservators and senior leaders, the seminar remained very fruitful and has achieved much more than what was expected. Imagine, if Himalayas weren't there, we can't imagine of the existence of millions of Himalayan people. So let us come together and join hands with Sangha Sena in his mission and his iron will to do or die for saving humanity by saving the Himalayas.